Okay, I wanted an inlay for my GKF600 little router, and I wanted to put all this stuff in here in the same box. So I wanted an L-BOXX, and it's on the website that you can get one, an L-BOXX inlay, and it's listed for a 238 L-BOXX, but for love and money, not speaking German or Turkish, you can't get one. I've asked various Bosch agents to get them, out of stock, can't get them, blah blah blah. So obviously all this came in a nice new L-BOXX, well, the old style box, but I want to get this in here, the 600 base. I wanted to get the OFA and all the accessories that go with this sort of stuff. I wanted it all in the one box, in one place. So I thought, oh, what do I do? So don't get too excited. Don't want you getting all tears. But well, I did this. I chopped the lid and the front end off the base, the box. So basically just cut the back end off here, and yeah, somebody just spare handles. I've got one. Just use this little tool. Fantastic. Just drew the lines, cut it up. Great. So what I did do was, first of all, I got the big 374, the big L-BOXX, and I got the inlay that comes with that. It's got a handle. I've taken it off just now for reasons that will be obvious in a minute, but it just sits in there. Now when you buy this, they're advertised with no black clips. Now I couldn't find out what the black clips were. And what it is it's these. They sit in the corner of the box and don't let the back end drop down anymore. The front of the box has got these bits on it, the tray rather. So it slots in here, you know, slots in there and there. So you put these in, and that box doesn't drop down anymore. It's great. So we'll throw this away just now. There's stuff to the side of it. So this box, once I cut it, I knew the sizes. I had to take a bit out of here, out the side of the box, okay, just because of this piece here. Now this here drops in. It's the right height. It's perfect, in fact. So you push it in, and you've got your router all in a tray that fits in an L-BOXX. Wow. You just push the handle back in, and there you go. You've got a tray for your router. You put this bit back in here, and that's great. So that's that taken care of. So then we get the L-BOXX, and we think, okay, I want to put all this stuff in here. How am I going to do it? I'm just going to chuck the box in here and let it all, I mean, that's the right height, it's okay, you know, I put it that way and it's great. But then they're all going to rumble around. They're all going to be bashing around in there, so I took it a step further and I made this. It's a bit of measuring, a bit of cutting around, and yeah, just a saw, you know, table saw obviously, jigsaw, and a hole cutter. And basically now I can put all the stuff that I want in here. It's obviously made to fit, so it's great. But I'll show you it in the box. L-BOXX. These have got sticky M3 pads on them. If you want to, sorry about the light there. If you want to stick them on the sides, but I don't, because you don't know when you're going to take it back out. So that's made for a snug fit in there. So now I can stick all my stuff in here. I've got some clamps that they're going to fit in here. Fantastic. Now I better take this back out and show you. Because this standing up on its edge is going to reach the height of this, it's going to be over the height of that if I have a base on it. Cut a bit out shape. I just drew around it, jigsawed it out. So this shape fits here. So it doesn't go over the height of when the tray drops in. And I cut this bit out here as well on the side, because on the side, inside the box, there's a bit out here that extends for the handles. Screwed and glued, just some old 10mm, 9mm MDF, and in she goes. So there we go, that goes in there. I've got this, I thought I'd put that in as well. This goes down here as well. Yep. So this doesn't go over the height. Put your clip back in for your drawer. Router base. She's in. There we go. I've got this thing here for drawing circles. Little bag of goodies for the OFA. I'll actually take that out of the box because I've got something else. So I've got that there. We'll chuck the instructions in there. You can chuck all this in here. It's not too bad, not too shabby. And I've got this old nail box for nails, and some router bits in there, chuck them in, and the tray with the router. Put this in here, because that's where it goes. There we go. I hope it's helpful. Give you an idea. Yeah, it's great. Now we've got router all in one box. All my stuff. It's pretty good. Okay, thanks. Just an idea.